Hello teachers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a file from an assignment that you can put into a student's portfolio. So the assignment tool in Moodle is the little blue icon with the piece of paper and then the little check mark right here. So I've done a listening assessment on this assignment, apologizing to colleagues, and I've already graded this assessment, but now I want to move the student results and answers of this assignment to the student's portfolio. So I will click on this assignment, and as you can see, here are my instructions to the assignment. I also have the specific title with the skill and the competency area. I've labeled the fact that it's an assignment. Also, all of the questions are here, and the criteria for success as well, the self-reflective information, and then all of the student submissions. So I'm going to click on View All Submissions, and then we can see, okay, who has submitted and who hasn't. So this first student has submitted, so I'll start with hers. You have to do it one at a time, unfortunately. So what I really want to capture, I don't just want to capture the questions and the student answers, I also want to capture my feedback and the grade that I've given the student. So I go to Feedback Comments, and I click on the little magnifying glass here, and it brings me to this page. So again, here are just the questions that would be the same for everyone, all of that assessment information. And then here is my feedback to the student, as well as my markings on her particular answers, and specific feedback there. As you can see, though, there's no button like there is in forums that gives you the option to export to portfolio and create an HTML file. So I don't have that option here, but that's okay, because there is a way to capture both the questions and the original assessment page, as well as the student answers and my feedback on them in one file. And that is by the print screen option. So there are two ways to get to the print screen option. You can right-click with your mouse like this, and then click Print. And then that brings you to this screen. It's already set to save as PDF. And as you can see, okay, so my title and the information about the task, as well as all of the questions, and then as well as my feedback and the student answers are all in this page already. So it creates a nice PDF. If you don't want to, so remember that one is right click and then click on Print, but you can also use your keyboard to get to this point. You can hold down the Control key and then click the P, Control P, and that will bring you to the same page. Again, the title is there, all of the questions and assessment information, as well as my specific feedback and the student's specific answers. Now, sometimes it leaves an extra page like this. I don't really want that excess page on there. It's just extra information, kind of extraneous. So, okay, so it's 3 pages, but I only want the first 2. So I can customize it by clicking All and then going to Custom and then just putting 1 to 2. I just want pages 1 to 2, and there, that changes it right away. I have the questions and just the student answers, all compact into 2 pages. I don't have that extra page. Okay, and then after that, after I'm happy with the PDF, I will click Save. And then, of course, I can save it wherever I want. I'll put it into Downloads. And as you can see, it has my title, the fact that it's an assessment, the real-world task, as well as the skill, the level, and the competency, and the fact that it's feedback comments. It doesn't have the student's name. Maybe I'll add that. Of course, I can change the title to whatever I want. And maybe I'll even add the grade that she got. Did she get a C, a D, or a B? Like that, or something like that. So of course I can change it and put it anywhere on the computer that I want, and then I'll click Save. And then if I go to my downloads on this computer, I can see I have a nice PDF file. I open it, it has all of that stuff in it, and that PDF file then I can easily drag and drop or otherwise move to the student's portfolio.